How to transfer from Coinbase to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through the basic steps on how you can use this amazing crypto app, okay, and how you can allow yourself to transfer from this to your PayPal. So, to transfer from Coinbase to PayPal, you are going to want to make sure that you have a proper account on your Coinbase, okay? Now, once you have an account on your Coinbase, what is going to happen is it's going to take you through the payment methods, okay? So in the payment methods, you're going to click on add a new payment method. It's just like adding a bank to your, you could say PayPal. So you're just going to go on payment methods, and in those payment methods, it's going to give you all these. So bank account, debit card, wire transfer, and then it's going to give you PayPal. So you're just going to go and add a payment method, choose PayPal, link your PayPal account, and from there on out, you can start transferring from your Coinbase to your PayPal in the easiest way. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can transfer from Coinbase to your PayPal in the easiest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.